Today we have Jack Toro and Efia. Blind dates, they are going to find their loved ones here today. So we will first turn to Jack Toro and ask Jack Toro what he really wants in a lady. The kind of what he really wants in a lady. So welcome to our blind dates. What's your name, please? Please say your name. Into Uji say and obetimi enya odo afi ha e dia kofi.
We did the papa na enya type na.
Okay. Into dia be na like o hwehwe wo oba mu.
Dia be hwehwe oba mu Efia na gina ho no. Ye me pa na gina ho no. And I'm very happy to this program.
Okay. Onye ho oba no so se oba na gina ho no. So we will go to Efia Odo. Na wono si yebisa no. Ye ope wo be me hu. Hello, darling.
Hi.
What's your name, please?
Efia.
Okay. Me pacho, I don't know how be mem or specs in a man.
No, man, I like, a tall guy,
okay,
handsome, will be able to me dressy, because I'm a stylish girl, so if he'll be able to me dressy, like a man who speaks really good English, because because is that him talking?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, like I like somebody who dresses well, speaks really good English, because also man ain't catchy all the time. So I need somebody who can match my fly, match my energy and everything. So yeah, and then he has to have money, because me, I'm a very expensive kind
So
of girl.
what if Otenina say Bemana our hono peno or niskana so also pay?
Hey, I didn't order you by force.
Because when you whole classes was in escape mistake and age na how
I mean, it's a nice girl, so of course,
okay. And yeah, you better can Jack Toro attending home to the camera, my Jack Toro, me slow motion. Give it to me, darling. I love it. I love what I'm seeing. Wow. Okay. So, Jack Toro, I want to ask, do you love what you see?
Oh, I love her. The way the back is borders and photos, I love her.
Okay, so she says, "Oteni, na so hu no kasa ompewa." How will you feel? Okay. Then we will go to Efia. We want Efia 2 to 10 and see what we have here as a man.
Okay.
Efia, please stand for me. Okay. So Efia, I want to ask you, do you love what you see?
I'm sorry, let me just get a better look at him.
Okay. Do you really love what you see?
This is not my type of guy. I'm sorry. Like, what is he wearing? His shoes, his shorts, his shirt. Oh, shit's cold. Why he didn't even iron his shirt? And what? I'm sorry. No.
Okay,
no.
so it's a question. Eh?
No, this is not. I don't like what I see. No, I don't.
Mr. Jack Toro, I say from head to toe. Bibi and the one man one okay. So what will you say?
I didn't. When you so like. You talk through your nose? Is that how he talks?
Yeah, yes, that's how he talks.
I can't. I mean, to me, it's a shame. How am I going to date you? I don't understand what you're saying. I need somebody who is financially stable, or dresses well, speaks good English. But when you about like on to me, because say, oh, can I be in my head?
Oh, I don't want.
Oh my God.
Say,
It's okay. It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Jack Toro, and your way idea. So if you're the cramp, you are a for Beba. Nabote, why? So if you're the cramp, you are a buffer for
Now, flower, it looks fake. Let me see this flower. Fake roses? Oh my God, you cheap as hell.
Oh,
really? No, he's not my type.
Chunky, what thing? We are chunky. I know you don't know anything. Okay.
Let me show some of the so if you're the class on Pewa, make your above for please. Let me bring you to this show to come and find.
We are here to see some ugly ass, whack ass
And I'm here not only have shoot and everything.
Doctor, Obi a pay Obana, the only for me Obana.
Tell me that I am a jungle.
So listen to me, look at me, talk to me. Okay? Oh, please, stop this. Right now, I can't want to. She's not talking. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, comport yourself as a man.
But don't piss me off, my nigga, because y'all go crazy.
And you don't piss me off.
I'm a gangster, you feel me? I'm a dude. I'm a gangster. Don't piss me off, you feel me? I'm from the jungle. Who is you
people are going to fight. There you want to fight, right? You want to fight on my show. You people are going to fight on my show right now. That's fine.
For what? For what?
Don't
what dear phone such me come?
Many day.
Phone such
Hey, sister, I know y'all, but I'm
oh,
I'm sorry, I am not doing that. Look at him. Look at him. He look dirty. You look dirty as hell. You look dusty.
Doctor,
I'm sorry.
I apart from what appearance, Oscar, bottom you do. Okay. Efia don't say on Peldo. By Sir Ordinance, 2 Como Keka, or someone 5 billion. Ubeti me. On the money don't start to Como Keka, no man 5 billion.
Why ain't it?
Now this is time before
no, I don't want this.
Flowers full.
Flowers
full. These fake flowers. 2 cities.
Okay, Doctor, how much is the flowers?
It's $5,000.
$5,000?
Yeah.
I was talking about 5 billion.
No.
You told me you don't have, but you have $5,000.
Yeah, I have
to buy flowers.
That's right.
Okay, so you wanted.
I have got madam. Oh, dear, mommy.
When you're no wife, Nana.
I know her face. I know her face. Look at the way he speaks. I mean, to shit. You look dirty. You dirty.
Everything short. Efia.
Okay, I didn't come here for all this bullshit.
If
you don't like it,
Mommy, I
didn't come here for all this. I didn't come here for all this. I gotta go. I didn't come here for
all this. Why are you following me? You don't go anywhere. Yourself like goat.
I'm sorry. Why you can't do this on my show?
Who are you? Who are you? Don't get.
Excuse me, I gotta go. I don't have time for this. I didn't come for
He wants you to pay for the flowers.
Pay for what flowers? It's 2 cities. That ain't flowers.
Pay for it. Okay, you just pay for it.
I ain't pay for shit. I ain't pay for shit.
I'm going to pay for it myself. I'm going to pay for it myself. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, me come here. Me talk. One.
Okay.
And you want to one. I mean, can't let me cut you. I'm here bringing that.
Okay.
And the man and the Mr. I know what you have to eat. Yeah, at the door.
Now, oh, blind dates sleeping now. Okonya accident.
It's all right. And once again, yeah, I know my house. You buy.
Okay.
It's the very one of Konya, Larry accident.
Okay.
And I'm feeling like it.
Mean to obey what your bed chairman say. You say stop
I
as
want to go to
somebody
Yeah, and your head. But one, I yeah, what the no, yeah, what the and so the young corner, we know, young Jennifer.
Oh, so now you want me?
Yeah.
You hosting the show? You want me?
You want that? Yeah,
Oh, Obama, so I'm booby, papa.
Hey, that's why you will be at the boat.
Booby, papa. Hey, family,
Madam, when they
no, nothing also. Me, Oba, me shows my catching so about me, must. How dare you? How dare you? Don't bomb me, must. Please, we are done with the show. Okay, we are not cuts. We are done with the show. We are done with the show. Okay, walk out from my studio. Walk out. Please walk out. I'm not paying you. I'm not paying you. Walk out.
If the cats I'm so ever
With all due respect, walk out from this place.
Madam is our nominee.
Go, walk out from my show. Walk out from my show. Walk out. I don't need your show. Walk out.
Now, you are not a nominee. Temperature was
What is this? And you'll be an pay in senior. Obotomunya. Walk out. Okay, body way you didn't want to have body way. What do you didn't sweetheart, next week I'll bring new people. But for Jack Toro Paddy, I will never bring him on my show again. Never and ever.
He is a liar.
Next week, Efia is coming back on my show with a new guy. Efia
The Satan is a liar.
Thank you.
The
Bye.
Satan is a liar. The Satan is a liar. Can you cut it out yet? I don't know if
I'm done. I'm not saying anything. Okay, I'm not done.
What kind for what?
Walk out. It's my show. I'm done with the show. We've closed. So go. I'm preparing to walk out. So go. I love you, viewers.
You love me, and I love you, hear me.
Yes.
I love you, hear me.
I'll fall sick if I tell you I love you. I'll fall sick.
Madam.
That's
Sisi ade, Efia odo, enya bema opepa me show you so Efia odo, when je, Hakeem ho.
I know I am a taste, like everything, the dressing, the outfit, like I am a type of guy.
Hakeem, mentor, right?
Yes.
When je, Efia odo ho pa.
Yes, Efia is my kind of woman. She's confident, she's assertive, she is beautiful. She's the definition of a beautiful woman. Epitome of beauty. That's my kind of girl.
So right now, Efia odo, what is your next plan with Hakeem?
Oh, right now, I think so. Like, I want to talk to him, get to know him, see what he does for a living, and all that stuff. We're going on a real date.
Absolutely.
So, Hakeem, you want to tell us in the near future, Efia odo abenya no me show you so obe worry.
Don't worry, Efia am taste.
To promote in an hour, the name of
don't play with my woman.
I want to play my wife.
I'm gonna smack you.
Don't
talk to me right.
Oh my God, this guy is just so crazy.
Go.
Everywhere I go, you follow me. What's wrong with
I'm
you?
going to smack him in the face.
Smack him in his face.
What's up?
Oh, yeah.
Let me have a ball.
Oh, yeah,
Let me have some ball.
Yeah.
Let
Me,
I'll do one.
Me,
Whoa, okay, let's go.
Ah.
Hey, remember who?
Oh, back to me.
Maybe
Only
a
me
zongo.
type, my force. Me only me type. I know very friends, but who shut that? Who shut guy where you are?
I want to make Bob from Martin.
Your car be a boy.
Man, shop away in Subia.
When now was so
By force.
was so no Obama. When now was so no about me show. It's a way in your book.
Shoe, sir.
Hakeem, Abenyane dear. About crown our pen on. And one Hakeem about the fast. So you should know, say, and you was when you was simple.
Why are the shoes? Man, shoe, and you move, man. Maybe if you going to comment on. Man, shoe, I'll do one.
No, by force. Although, by force. Let's go.
Baby, let's go, baby.
Tita, and that promoting, and I want them in for.
Me for more
Now, find me more promoting. I'm a walk one,
Let's make Emma for Frobeba. Just
one of it now. And yet, I'm one of it now. I want to be found. I just in our own emmy. But yet, man, back on me.
And try. Okay.
Oh, me man, no back on.
Said if you are damn pill, the son I'm swimming pill into court.
It's done. That yet in our book, young boy, yeah.
Milbo me dear,
And I'm at
Milbo
you.
me dear, Yammy.
Whoa,
Milbo me dear, Yammy.
okay,
Okay,
I will turn out when I get on. And I won't think back, yeah, and that Tita, near a moy and but yeah, Tita.
Nti woni CCA no me pesa ohwene na abo no okoye surgery wanim koye plastic surgery na sign bra me show
Na me want time and then baby I'm not me not come to. On me man na me want to come and then koye plastic.
nti se wo ba me show you so be fa oba
That why you me ba what thing? When you what any na me na be yeah yeah, oh yeah, you make for ate. Ah, na